Let's compare the sound quality from this DJI Mic Mini and this. 2 years ago it was 100 over ringgit lah, 100 over ringgit, and now I think I get it less than 50 bucks. For this is slightly over 300 bucks. Let's compare the sound quality between these two. Let's full blast the fan speed. This is the sound from the iPhone 13 Pro, right? Now this is the sound from this mic. It has noise cancelling, but I don't know which is which. I don't know because it doesn't really affect a lot. Let's try. If I'm not mistaken, you press once to turn on or off. Now I press. So which one is with the noise cancelling? I press again, and this. Any difference? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I press again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can feel the difference with the noise reception at this angle. Okay? I press again. Try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's move to the DJI. You can see the yellow light, right? You can turn on or off by pressing the power button, right? Now it's off. Clip it over here, right? This is a sound without the noise cancelling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now let's turn it on. Yellow lights. It's on. And there's a settings in your DJI Mimo app. You can set it to basic or high or strong. Yeah, there's two. So now this is the basic one. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the normal one, basic. Now let's try to set it to another setting higher. Basic or strong. Just now was basic. Now it's still off. Let's turn it on. This is the strong. I off again. Without noise cancelling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's on. Strong noise cancelling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the difference. I'm not saying that this microphone is bad. At least for the past 2.5 years, it just help monetize two channels. Alright, start from zero. Okay, I start from zero, and this microphone it just helped me to monetize two channels. Of course, this is much better. A very simple, a very quick comparison between the 50 bucks microphone, and it's a dual channel, and this I just get a single one. Alright, this I just get a single one with this transmitter. Now it's like slightly over 50 bucks, and this is slightly over 300 bucks. With the extra earnings today, finally I can just get a better microphone for my content. I'm not saying that you must get a good microphone, but if you have one, then it would be better. Thank you.